Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. If you're new here, my name's Amy and I share productivity, marketing, and small business tips to help you stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. Lately, I've been getting some comments and DMs asking me to go more in depth on how I color code my planner and why it works so well for me. So today, I'm breaking it all down, what each color means, how I use it, and how you can customize a color system that makes your schedule instantly make sense. Okay, so I like to keep things visually clear and mentally simple. I either write with a black pen and then highlight based on category, or I'll write directly in colored pens. It depends on my mood and what planner I'm using, digital, paper. The goal is that at a quick glance, I can see where my time and energy are going. Here's my color coding system. No gatekeeping. Green, family and my son, anything school related, appointments, or family time. When I see green, I know that's time I'm spending on what matters most to me personally. Blue, my marketing agency, Luxxe Marketing, client meetings, content deadlines, or strategy sessions go in blue. It helps me separate my service-based work from my other businesses. Pink, my beauty brand, so this covers Amy June Lashes and Luxxe Mani. Anything product related like launches, content shoots, or inventory updates. Pink is always my creative brand mode. Purple is this YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. This color instantly reminds me that I'm creating content for the Life of Amy June. Things like filming days, editing, or script planning all get highlighted in purple. Peach or orange is Productivity Prism, my planner and digital tools brand. This is where I work on designs, marketing, and product development. Yellow, personal or home life, cleaning routines, errands, bills, basically all the behind the scenes life stuff that still needs to get done. Once I assign a color to a category, I stay consistent. That's key. I've used these same colors for multiple years with a little bit of variation and change depending on the highlighters and pens that I have at the current moment, but it's not about having a perfect system. It's about training your brain to associate that color with that area of your life. Over time, you'll start recognizing patterns too. For example, if I flip through my week and I notice it's mostly blue and pink, that tells me I'm very heavy on work and beauty brand tasks. Maybe I need to schedule more green or yellow time to rebalance things. If you're new to color coding, start small. Pick just 3 colors, maybe personal, work, and family, and expand as you get comfortable. The goal isn't to overcomplicate, it's to simplify, because when your planner looks visually balanced, it helps your mind feel balanced too. I hope this video helped give you a clearer idea of how my color coding method works and maybe inspired you to create a version of your own. If you have any video suggestions or anything you'd like me to share, please leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to make them. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I noticed that more than 90% of you are not subscribed. I do appreciate you viewing. Thank you so much. It truly means the world to me. But if you could just hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate it so much. For more productivity and small business tips, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Appreciate you all. Bye.